Okay, in phonics today, we're going to continue adding the and the est suffixes. So I'm going to give you some activities to practice that today. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to think about the rule here. Okay, so I want to add the and the est suffix. The word is jolly. So can you see the word jolly ends in a Y? So I have crossed out the Y. I have changed the Y into an I, and I've added the suffix. So now my word becomes jollier. And then it's exactly the same if I want to add the est suffix. It ends in a Y, so I've crossed out the Y, I've changed it into an I, and I've added the est suffix. So now my word becomes jolliest. Okay, so here is an activity to help you practice that, okay? So the rule is at the top there to help you remember, and you are going to change this list of words here, and you're going to add the suffix and you're going to add the est suffix to these words down the side here, okay? So just remember to just keep remembering that rule. Now, we have learnt all the other rules this week, and I want you to have a practice. So here are some activities to help you practice. So these ones here, okay, can you see what's happened? Yeah, so there are some words and you need to add the suffix and the est suffix, and there are some words missing in different places, okay? So the first one has been done for you as an example. So think about how you are going to complete the other boxes. Here is another one. So this one is if you are doubling the last consonant before adding the or the est suffix. I know that a few of you found this one a bit tricky as well. It is a bit tricky, so just remember that if it has a short vowel sound, okay, like the word fit, the I is a short vowel, it ends in a consonant, so you need to double the T, double the consonant, and then add or est. Okay, so just try to remember that rule when you're spelling them. So again, you have some words down the side here, and you need to add the or the est suffix. And then we've got another one here. So again, these are words where you just need to, well, actually here, there's no change needed for the root word, okay? So you just need to add or est, okay? And this is the rule where if the word ends in an E, we drop the E before adding or est, okay? And there's a little challenge at the bottom for you, see if you can do that as well. Okay, and just to remind you here, I've added all of the rules, so you can go back. I'll save this PowerPoint as well. And remember, you can go back and watch the video again. That's absolutely fine, and you can pause it, or you can just go and have a look at the PowerPoint. So remember, no changes needed to some words, just add or est. If a word ends in a short vowel sound, so the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, you just add a consonant. Sorry, you don't add a consonant. It's if it ends in a short vowel sound and it has a consonant, we double the consonant before adding or est. If a word ends in E, we drop the E before adding or est. And if a word ends in Y, we swap the Y for an I before adding or est. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy your activities today.